Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Welcome to Mexico Beach, a charming coastal town located in Bay County, Florida. Nestled along the Gulf of Mexico, approximately 25 miles southeast of Panama City, this community offers a serene escape with its white sandy beaches and emerald green waters. Established in 1946 by a group of businessmen who purchased 1,800 acres of land, Mexico Beach was officially incorporated as a city in 1967. The town has maintained its small-town charm, free from high-rise developments, providing a peaceful retreat for visitors and residents alike. In October 2018, Hurricane Michael made landfall near Mexico Beach with winds reaching 160 miles per hour, causing extensive damage to the area. Since then, the community has been dedicated to rebuilding and preserving its unique character. Efforts have included adopting stricter building codes and implementing hurricane-proofing measures to ensure resilience against future storms. As you drive through Mexico Beach, you'll notice the absence of high-rise buildings, allowing for unobstructed views of the stunning coastline. The community's commitment to preserving its natural beauty and laid-back atmosphere makes it a true gem along Florida's forgotten coast.
Thanks for watching!